The cordless engraving tool you use like a pen to permanently engrave anything you own. Use Engrave It for your expensive tools so you'll never have trouble claiming what's yours. Etch your name on items that look the same and avoid annoying mix-up. If you could write your name, you could easily engrave it. Make an ID tag for your pets or mark your office supplies and keep them from disappearing. Do you have a drawer full of keys but don't know what they open? Now you could easily mark all your keys to make them easy to find. Use it to mark lunchboxes and bicycles, or label all your power tools. If something's lost, it can't be returned. Remember, engrave it and save it. Use Engrave It with our mistake-proof stencils, and you can make your own professional-style engravings. The secret is the hardened carbide oscillating microtip. It has the power to easily etch hardened steel, yet it's safe to the touch. Engrave It works on almost any surface. It gives you the power and the precision to neatly personalize your favorite items. And if you're a crafter, it's the ultimate tool.